Hi everybody and welcome to another video, and today we will take a look at Jupiter here in our software Space Engine. Now the cool thing about Jupiter is, beside that it's the biggest planet of course, and it has a also big red eye, which is a huge storm, we see also 4 planets with almost a naked eye, but with a small telescope already, or with binoculars, and we can see them if we zoom out here a little bit, the 4 yellow dots. These are Europa or Jupiter 2, we have Jupiter 1 or Io, we have Ganymede, and we have also Callisto. Here, this one here is a star, so don't be confused with this one. If you move it a little bit, then you always see what belongs to Jupiter and what is a background star. We have also here 4 other stars, like for example Amalthea, so the smaller ones. Also, we have also Metis, and here we have the Adrastea and also Thebe. But today we take a look at the 4 larger Jupiter moons that I just mentioned. And here in this configuration, it was 1997 on the 11th of November, already a few years back. But in the last video, I showed you this shadow occultation of Saturn. But in Jupiter, there was something even more amazing, right? Because you already see, we have here the sun, we have here Jupiter, we are a little bit on the night side, on the dawn side, and we have the 3 moons aligned in one line. And surprisingly, all these 3 casted a shadow on the surface of Jupiter. Now you see here all the 3 dots, and if we move a little bit our time, so we can, for example, I would suggest to speed things up a little bit. We see how the different shadows are moving along the surface, of course, depending on the distance to the to Jupiter, and therefore also depending on their own orbital speed. Now, you can, for example, also see based on my last video, if we see these things also in Stellarium. So this is maybe something for you to play around with the dates we see here, and it's really cool to see how this event happens. So Jupiter was already in the future sometimes in the focus. You may have heard about the comet fragments of Shoemaker-Levy 9. I think there were like 9 fragments or so that were hitting the Jupiter's atmosphere, causing a chain of small black dots along the surface, or not really surface, right, but a cloud atmosphere. And here in this case, we see a triple sun or solar eclipse on this gas giant. Of course, the one shadow is moving far away quite quickly, and the other ones, they are steady state, but this one here is also a little bit faster. Now, if you just listen to the different moons I mentioned and the different distances, you may already figure out which moon is which one. And this is a small thing I just wanted to show you today. And as always, have a look at Stellarium and take a look at these cosmic events that are pretty amazing. Something we will never experience on our own home planet, of course. Until next time.